If you don't know how to talk about your dreams and goals, then welcome to day 4th of a Speak English with AI challenge series. My friends, first of all, I am extremely sorry. I am inconsistent. I am unable to upload videos on daily basis, but I promise to you all from today onwards, I will keep uploading. Okay, so just be in tuned with me. And if you don't know how to talk about your dreams and goals, then watch this video till the end, because in this video firstly I will share about my personal goals and dreams, and after that I will give you 5 key points which you can follow. You can also express your ideology, your thoughts, your opinions regarding your goals and dreams as I express in English. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Everybody has dreams and goals in their lives, but my dreams and my goals are completely different than the crowds. I do not want to do any government job. I'm not interested a bit in becoming IS officer or preparing for that. I am very much aware about my personal goals. So I want to become a famous English trainer on YouTube, because I personally feel that this dream matters to me, because millions of language learners, they are struggling with their mind going blank, with their translation trap. So I want to help them in a modern way, because they are fed up with traditional methods like mugging up vocabulary, mugging up grammar rules, and etc. So I know I have my personal methods like polyglots methods of learning, implicit method of learning, systemized method, content expression, impression, a lot of things to give them. And I am gonna share with you one personal story. Within 10 days I got 300 or 400 messages on my WhatsApp. People, they love my methods, they love my speaking skills, because I never translate, I never hesitate while speaking. The reason is clarity. So when I train them, when I give them the solution, then I always say them that what you should focus on. Okay, don't worry my friends, if you're really interested to speak English like me, then you can text me on my WhatsApp. But before that, I want to tell you what I am improving on. Okay, I am currently, every day I wake up in the morning and try to think carefully. I do meditation. My target is to solve the psychological problem, the fear, the pressure while speaking. So once you will start mastering the pressure, because when you speak in the real time, then you have immense pressure, like, oh my god, what the next question is coming for me, and your mind is searching in just microsecond the vocabulary, exact vocabulary. You have to also translate from your mother tongue to English, and you feel that my fluency is good or not. You have a lot pressure in just 1 second. So on the other hand, you have a lot of knowledge in your mother tongue. On the contrary, you have a lot of pressure. So the gap between both, your mind goes blank. Okay, so not don't never think like my English is bad. Your English is good, your vocabulary is good, you know sentence formation. You don't should feel like you don't should have guilt feeling. Okay, you are very good. Apart from this, I know how I can impact the language learners life, because millions of language learners, they are just being ignored just because of their English. They are very good at their field, but when it comes to speaking in their corporate sector, their interview, or anywhere in the company, they start hesitating, and all of their knowledge goes into dustbin. Okay, so my friends, this is my dream, and I want to achieve it in just 2 years. Okay, and definitely I love making money. Money is my best friend. So this is my dream. I know if I follow my dream, I will earn a lot, I will solve a lot of problems, my name will be highlighted everywhere. So I am super excited for this. Okay, now I'm gonna give you the solution how you can talk about your personal goals and your personal dreams. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 points, key points, so that you can talk about that. First of all, mention the dreams. As I said, everybody has dreams, but my dreams are completely different than the crowd. So I first introduce the goals and dreams. Okay, after that you can say what you want to become, and then you can say why this matters for me, why I want to become like that. And the next thing you can say time. Okay, when you want to achieve, how many months will you take, how many years will you take to achieve this. And the next thing you can say what are you improving. As I said, like I every morning I think psychologically and everything. So you can say about your own psychological learning, like what are you improving on, and what are your next learning approach. After that you can see the impact, like once you learn everything regarding your goals, then what would you impact, like what will be your impact on learners, viewers, or audience life. Okay, because impact is very important. If you can impact positive, if you can give positive impact on someone's life, then believe me, you cannot handle money. You will earn a lot of money, in my personal opinion. So rather chasing for earning or making money, it's better to create an impact. It's better to solve the massive problem. So this is how you can talk about this. Okay, again I am telling you, you can introduce about your goal. After that you can talk why this matters to you. Then you can talk about the time. After that you can say why you are improving, and what are the things you are improving on for this goal. And next and final, you can talk what are the impacts of this personal goal on like viewers or people's life. Okay, so my friends, this is how you can talk about your dreams and goals. And you can comment me below that how was my key points and everything. If you really want to connect with me, then I'm gonna give you my WhatsApp number here, like uh, I forgot the number as usual, so you can just text me on WhatsApp. I'll give you the next day's plan and everything. I will be consistent from tomorrow onwards. Okay, just keep watching and enjoy my videos. Thank you so much. And if I speak very fast or very slow, then you can comment me below so that I will improve on that. According to all of your likes and dislikes, I will figure out my own weakness, and accordingly I will improve myself. Okay, so thank you so much. I really appreciate you all that you are in tune with me. Okay, be in touch. Thank you so much.